Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the first unit of basic electronics, that is semiconductor diode. In this video, we will learn about LED. The full form of LED is a light emitting diode. The LED is a p-n junction diode which emits light when an electric current passes through it in the forward direction. LED is a two-terminal device. The terminals are named as anode and other as cathode. For proper operation, it is necessary to forward bias the LED as shown in figure. The symbol of LED is same as that of the p-n junction diode, with two arrows indicating that it emits the light. Construction details of LED. The p-n junction diode, which emits light when forward biased, is known as a light emitting diode. This emitted light may be visible or invisible. The amount of light output is directly proportional to the forward current. Thus, higher the forward current, higher is the light output. The active region exists between the p-type and n-type region. The light emerges from the active side in all the directions when the electron-hole pairs recombine. The disadvantage of this structure is that the LED emits light in all the directions. This problem can be solved by placing a small reflective cap inside the basic structure so as to focus the light in the desired direction. Such a structure is called as cup-type construction, shown in figure. Principle of LED operation. When the LED is forward biased, the electrons in the N region will cross the junction and recombine with the holes in the p-type material. These free electrons resides the conduction band and hence at a higher energy level than the holes in the valence band. When recombination takes place, these electrons return back to the valence band, which is at lower energy level than the conduction band. While returning back, the recombining electrons give away an excess of energy in the form of light. Now, material used for LEDs to emit different color light. When the gallium arsenide is used, the color of emitted light is infrared. When gallium arsenide phosphide is used, then red or yellow color of light. When gallium phosphide is used, then red or green color of light. When the gallium nitrate gallium is used, then the color is blue. Applications of LED. It is used in optocoupler. It is used in optical communication system. It is used in infrared remote control. It is used in 7-segment, 16-segment alphanumeric displays. It is used as indicator in various electronic circuits. It is used in optical switching applications. It is used in burglar alarm system. It is used to indicate digital logic state, used for traffic signal management, used in aviation, lighting, automotive lighting, advertising and general lighting, as a power indicator in the infrared remote controls. Now next is a photodiode. The photodiode is a p-n junction semiconductor diode which is always operated in the reverse bias condition. Now this is the symbol of photodiode. Construction and operation of photodiode. The light is always focused through a glass lens on the junction of the photodiode. As the photodiode is reversed biased, the depletion region is quite wide, penetrated on both sides of the junction as shown in figure. The photons incident on the depletion region will impart their energy to the ions present there and generate electron-hole pairs. The number of electron-hole pairs will be dependent on the intensity of light, that is number of photons. These electrons and holes will be attracted towards the positive and negative terminal respectively of the external source and constitute the photocurrent. With increase in the light intensity, more number of electron-hole pairs are generated and photocurrent increases. Thus, the photocurrent is proportional to the light intensity. Now, photodiode characteristic. The photodiode PI characteristics are as shown in figure, and the variation of photocurrent with light intensity is as shown in figure B. Dark current. It is the current flowing through a photodiode when there is no incident light on the device. Dark current flows due to the thermally generated minority carriers and hence increases with increase in temperature. The reverse current I alpha photodiode depends only on the intensity of light incidence on the junction. It is almost independent of the reverse voltage. Now, why is the photodiode operated in reverse bias condition? In the reverse bias condition, the only current flowing through the diode in the absence of light is the reverse saturation current, which is flow due to minority carriers, which is very small in magnitude. Hence, the change in diode current due to the light incident on it is significant, that is photocurrent is in microampere. If the diode was forward biased, then the forward current in the absence of light would be in milliampere, and the change in forward current due to the light will not be even noticeable. Hence, the photodiode is operated in the reverse bias condition. Applications of photodiode in the cameras for sensing the light intensity, in the fiber optic receiver, in light intensity meters, in CD players, as photo light detector, in the object counting system. Now, comparison of LED and photodiode. First parameter is definition. LED is a device that converts electric energy into light energy. Photodiode is a device that converts light energy into electric energy. Now, next is the symbol of LED and photodiode. Then operating principle. Due to recombination of electrons and holes, light is emitted. And in photodiode, due to generation of electrons and electron-hole pairs, the photocurrent will flow. Function of LED, it emits light, and photodiode, it detects light. Type of biasing, forward biasing in LED, reverse biasing for photodiode. Material used in LEDs, gallium arsenide phosphide, gallium phosphide, etc. In photodiode, silicon, indium gallium arsenide, etc. Leakage current in LED not exist, and photodiode exists and known as a dark current. Application of LED in electronic display system, light display system, etc. Photodiode in solar panel, logic circuit, etc. Thank you.